Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So over to the BTC 15-minute DMT chart. So you can see the buy trade activated a couple of days ago, a bit more than a couple of days ago now. On the 2nd, that's still basically in that buy trade. So you can see the price has been making its way up. Pretty much now at the level that it did initially spike at. So it's an interesting level for it to get back up to, so that's good. The DMT sell line is obviously making a move up with this move up, so probably end up settling around the mid 6,800s, I think, if we stay around this level. So yeah, that looks good for Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin looking good here. Looking like we could be, if we can hold obviously above here, I mean it's clear sailing up to around 8k. So that will be good for the price. 15-minute Bitcoin. So obviously you guys know I basically took the last two sell trades and got stopped out. Bit annoyingly on this one, but hey. And I didn't have the buy bot on. So the buy bot, obviously I did say before, I think I did a video just before this spiked and saying that I didn't have the buy dominator on. So obviously we're going to go up, and then we got a massive spike up probably about 20 minutes later. And then again, I didn't have the buy Dominator Bot on, and as you can see here, we took a buy at this level. So currently, this trade would be sat at a at nearly a 5% gain. Would have got to a 5% gain. So it's on now, guys. I've switched it on, don't worry. The bot's on. The Dominator buy bot is now on. The only one that isn't on now is the DMT buy bot. The DMT sell bot is on, but for a smaller position size, and I'm actually going to update my bots, the entries. I'm going to stagger the entries, so I think I'm going to enter 50% at the price, and then 50% 1% lower on both the buys and the sells. So just to see how that plays out, because obviously we get these moves, it would be better to have more of an average price. And then yeah, so we just got more room to play with there. I mean, because it isn't very often we get the buy and then the price goes and doesn't look back. I mean, in all fairness, it would have done it just here, but it wouldn't have done it here, so we would have still got filled. I mean, if you can see, zoom in here a bit, zoom in, so you can see the buy trade would have been on this candle here. So then we would have actually got the 1% sell-in. So it would have been long from around here, and then obviously would have got the big spike up. So you can see that does work out a bit better. So it doesn't always play out that way, but I think overall it might be a better way to play these. So yeah, Ethereum 15-minute DMT. Obviously we're going to be miles away from that sell line. Yeah, I mean it's moving up, but obviously the price is moving up very strongly in Ethereum. So yeah, that's a big move. I mean, Ethereum's basically up on BitMEX over 15% for today, so that is a big move. Bitcoin up nearly 7%, but yeah, big move for Ethereum there. And Ethereum Dominator, I'm guessing this is gonna have been a pretty good buy. So yeah, would have got you in long about here. So let's calculate it. It is currently sat in about 13% gain. So you can see, obviously I know with the bot trades that I'm basically having active, I seem to be picking exactly the wrong ones. I should just leave them all on, but we're missing 5%, 12% trades like all over the place. So I need to really sort that out, don't I, guys? So, well, any of you guys that are just running the bots blindly, not there's anything wrong with that. I mean blindly as in like you're not paying attention, but yeah, just sticking with the bots. You guys are obviously doing really well, so that's really good. So anyway, yeah, so there we go. There's the Bitcoin Ethereum 15-minute DMT and 25-minute Dominator. Like I said, I'll probably do a video of me adjusting the bots with the settings, so you can see what I've got them set at and then see how we get on with those. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And yeah, and I'll speak to you guys soon.